everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. Today's topic is very useful for shopping, returning, or exchanging items.
Yes, sometimes we buy something and it doesn't fit, it doesn't work, or we just change our mind. So today, we will learn how to return or exchange items in a store.
We will practice asking to return something, asking to exchange something, asking about the store policy, talking about receipts and proof of purchase, asking for a refund, problems and solutions, and long, natural conversations.
Let's start with key phrases.
Repeat after us. I'd like to return this. I'd like to exchange this. Do you have the receipt? What is your return policy? I want a refund. It doesn't fit. It's damaged. It doesn't work.
Great. Let's begin with a simple conversation. Let's talk about basic return conversation. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to return this shirt.
Sure. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Why are you returning it?
It doesn't fit.
Okay. Would you like a refund or exchange?
A refund, please.
No problem.
Very simple. But in real life, conversations are longer, so let's add more details.
Useful questions from staff. Is there anything wrong with it? Did you wear it? Do you want a different size? We can exchange it for you. Our policy is 30 days.
Repeat. Is there anything wrong with it? Do you want a different size?
Good. Now let's expand the situation. It's time for a longer return conversation.
Hi. I'd like to return this pair of shoes.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
They are too small.
I see. Do you want to exchange them for a bigger size?
Do you have size 44?
Let me check. Yes, we do.
Great. I'd like to exchange them.
Now let's talk about store policies.
Important phrases. Our return policy is 30 days. We only accept returns with the receipt. Items must be unused. No returns on sale items. Refunds. Refunds go back to your original payment method.
Repeat. Items must be unused. Refunds go back to your original payment method.
Conversation example.
Store policy conversation.
Hi, can I return this jacket?
Do you have the receipt?
No. I lost it.
I'm sorry, but we need the receipt for a refund.
Can I exchange it instead?
Yes, you can exchange it for something of the same value.
Okay, that works for me.
Now, let's introduce problems that often happen.
Common issues. No receipt outside return period. Item damaged after use. Wrong store. Missing packaging. Wanting cash refund for a card payment.
Useful phrases. I'm sorry, we can't accept this. This is outside the return period. It's already been used. We can offer store credit.
Repeat. We can offer store credit.
Let's do a problem-based conversation. Problem situation. No receipt.
Hi. I want to return this blender.
Do you have the receipt?
No, I don't.
I'm sorry. We can't give a refund without the receipt.
Is there anything else you can do?
We can give you store credit.
Okay, I'll take store credit. Now let's practice when the item is damaged.
Useful phrases. It stopped working. It arrived damaged. There's a scratch. It is broken. I want a replacement.
Repeat. It stopped working. It arrived damaged.
Conversation example. It's time to do a damaged item conversation.
Hi, I'd like to exchange this toaster.
What's the problem?
It doesn't turn on. I think it's broken.
I see. Did you use it?
Yes, one time.
Okay, since it's still under warranty, we can replace it.
Great. Thank you. And now, something important. Refunds.
Useful refund phrases. I want a refund. Can I get my money back? Will you refund to my card? How long does the refund take?
Repeat. Can I get my money back? How long does the refund take?
Now, let's do a refund conversation.
Hi. I'd like to return these headphones.
Sure. Do you want an exchange or a refund?
A refund, please.
Okay. We will refund the money to your credit card.
How long does it take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
Great, thank you. Good. You're doing great so far. Now let's create a long, complete, natural conversation, including everything.
Full extended return. Exchange conversation. Long.
Hi, I bought this sweater last week, and I'd like to return it.
Okay. Can I see your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What's the reason for the return?
It's too big, and the color looks different at home.
I understand. Would you like to exchange it for a smaller size or a different color?
Maybe. Do you have this in medium?
Let me check. Yes, we have medium in blue and gray.
Can I see the gray one?
Sure. Here it is.
Oh, this looks better. I think I'll take this one.
No problem. I'll make the exchange for you.
Actually, before we finish, can I ask something?
Of course.
What is your return policy?
We offer returns within 30 days with the receipt. Items must be unused and in original condition.
Good to know. And what if I want a refund instead of an exchange?
Refunds go back to the original payment method. For credit cards, it takes 3 to 5 business days.
Okay. Thank you. For now, I'll take the gray medium sweater.
Great. I'll complete the exchange.
Here you go.
Okay. All set. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. I also bought these headphones, but they don't work well. The sound cuts off sometimes.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Did you bring the packaging?
Yes, I did.
And do you have the receipt for these?
Yes, it's the same receipt.
Okay, let me test them. Yes, I can hear the problem. We can exchange them or refund you.
Can I get a refund?
Yes, no problem. I'll refund it to your card.
Thank you. How long does it take?
About 3 to 5 business days.
Perfect.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
You learned how to return items, exchange goods, talk about receipts, store policies, refunds, and more.
Practice these sentences again and again until you feel comfortable.
Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.